Hey YouTube, how's it going? Back here with Alice Chalmers 59. So the last time we were installing bearings and we had some issues, and these cracked. They're part of the expander on the tool, the installation tool. So we're gonna have to repair these. I've got another set coming, but they won't be here for a while. We need to get this engine done. We got a special guest tonight. It's Junior here. Can you say hello, Junior?
Hi.
So he found the pieces.
This piece.
Yeah, they got lost in the block. So.
And it got stuck in the webbing.
Yes, it got stuck in the webbing. So, even the one here that's not broken is cracked. It's just a terrible design, it looks like. Materials are faulty. Boy, you know, I could fix this and cast them out of brass. That wouldn't be a bad idea, really. Huh. Maybe we'll do that for a video. We'll do some casting. Maybe we could do...
and probably I'll be there.
Probably. Let's see here.
Well, he thinks
we could make it out of lead. I don't... Probably be too soft.
Yeah. It's too soft.
Bronze would probably be the best. Bronze or brass. That way it could absorb the impact, but yet still not...
We could do brass because bronze it would look probably different from the rest because it's a different color.
Yeah, but we're not too worried about the color here. We just want it to be structurally sound. I don't know if you can focus. This one's got a hairline crack around it. We've got our piece set up in here, and I was trying to figure out the best place to hold this, and I think this vise is gonna be sufficient enough. Oh, is that light bulb missing?
Just a second. I'm gonna make my announcement.
Okay, what's your announcement?
So, every video, if I'm here, I will be announcing the question. So if you comment down a question, I'll write it on a little piece of paper, and then I'll say the name of the person and what their comment was. Okay, so they're gonna comment. And I'll answer.
They're gonna comment, and then I'm gonna write it down on a piece of paper, right?
Yep.
Okay, and you're gonna answer it. What if it's automotive related question?
And then we might have a little help.
From who?
You.
Oh, really? Okay. So yeah, if you have any questions, just comment, rate, and subscribe. So we've got our piece set up here in our vise, and we've got our safety glasses on. So we're going to come in here with we've got a high-speed carbide bit that has lots of aluminum in it because I was doing something at work today. But we're going to come in here and...
He has a pretty good work if you ask me.
We're going to grind down inside that crack.
Very important.
All right, YouTube, we're back here. We've got our vise here. We've got our part. I've already ground down a little bit here. That looks pretty good. I'm going to finish it up a little bit. All right, so we've got that pretty well ground out.
Mhm.
So we're gonna get set up here, and we're gonna do some brazing. So we'll be catch you here in a little bit. All right, we're back
Yep.
here, and we're getting ready to braze this.
Just another reminder: safety first if you're doing this.
Yeah, we got our
Or guardian supervision.
gloves and our glasses here, so we're gonna get ready to go.
Anybody over 20 years old? Let's start. It's at this blue point. It's at this boy's blue point. It's probably the melting point for a human being.
So we're gonna get this warmed up.
Just so you know, if you put on a nozzle thing, you can only.
It's probably got some oil on it, so it'll just burn off.
Welding, you always have to have safety because welding can be very dangerous for your eyes. Just like the sun.
Alright, I think that's warm enough. So now we're going to take our rod and we're going to get it warm.
How did you see the rod perfectly fine?
Because my glasses aren't as dark as yours. Get that melted off there.
Remember, parent or safety guardian, because I could have gotten the eye block. So pretty. Iron Man. Next door, doctor. Is it okay to stare at it right now?
Probably not.
Okay. I'll stare at it.
Alright, so we got that brazed up there.
Woo. Can I put on your goggles?
And we're going to let that cool down. She's pretty hot.
Can I try on your goggles and see?
Yeah, but you got to be careful. That's really hot.
Yep, that I warned you, parent or supervisor.
Supervisor. Here, you can try on my goggles.
Because apparently this welding helmet, you can only see the light radiation.
Well, it's UV rays that it's blocking.
Oh, yeah, you can see in this.
So that turned out really well.
What? Show
We're
me
going to let
fingers.
this cool down.
Show me fingers. 2. Yep, these work. 3.
Oh,
What?
it expanded a little bit there. That's all right. We got good braze all the way through.
This kind of looks like Iron Man's helmet because
All right, so we're going to
of this.
get some pliers.
Hi. And don't try to walk. If you're walking with one of these on, make sure to have it lifted up, not
So we've
closed
got our-
down like this.
Our braise done here. I don't know. It's not coming in very good today. I think I got too much light on.
More like two less.
But anyways, we got that braised. It turned out pretty good.
Wait, if I put this in front of the phone, would it see?
So we're gonna let that cool down, and we're gonna do the others. So thanks. We'll see you soon.